In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first page in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank workspace to a polished, published page your team can use right away. First, open your Confluence site in your browser and sign in. Use your usual account credentials to log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. That's where your spaces live. A space is like a folder or a home base for a team, project, or topic. Click the space where you want your new page to live. If you don't have one yet, you may need to create a space or ask your admin to set one up for you so your pages stay organized from the start. Quick note while we're here, since Confluence is a website, I've placed a handy link at the very top of the description, so you can jump straight to the sign-in page and follow along. Now, in the top menu, click Create. That opens the page editor, which is where you'll do all your writing and formatting. You can start with a blank page or pick a template if you want a head start. Templates are especially helpful for common workflows like meeting notes, project plans, product requirements, and more, because they come with ready-made sections and headings. At the top of the editor, add a clear descriptive title. Think about what someone else would search for later. Include the project name, topic, or date if it helps. This title will show up in your space navigation and in search results, so clarity really matters. Click into the main body and start typing your content. Use the formatting toolbar to make your page easy to scan. Apply headings to break content into sections. Use bold or italic for emphasis. And add bullet or numbered lists for steps and takeaways. If visuals help tell the story, insert tables to organize data, images to illustrate a point, or links to other Confluence pages, and external resources to keep everything connected. When you're happy with your draft, click Publish in the top right. Your page is now live and visible to anyone with access to that space. If you spot something to improve later, just open the page, click Edit, make your changes, and publish again. Confluence will keep your updates organized so your team always sees the latest version. A few quick tips as you get started. Keep pages organized within the right spaces and use clear titles so content is easy to find. Structure your writing with headings and short lists to improve readability, and add links to related pages so teammates can navigate effortlessly. Thanks for watching.